Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen, where today we're about to embark on a little culinary adventure together. Today, we're making coconut rice, a dish that instantly transports you to a sunny beach, no matter where you are in the world. Just imagine the gentle sound of waves and the warmth of the sun as you take your first bite. It's just fluffy rice cooked in creamy coconut milk instead of water, and that simple swap makes all the difference. The coconut milk infuses every grain with a subtle richness and a hint of sweetness that's truly irresistible. Coconut rice is a hero from Thailand to the Caribbean, loved for its subtle sweetness and rich, creamy texture. It's a staple in so many cultures, each adding their own twist, but always delivering that comforting, tropical flavor. It pairs beautifully with spicy curries, grilled fish, or zesty chicken, making everything on your plate taste even better. Whether you're serving it with a fiery Thai curry or a tangy Caribbean stew, coconut rice brings balance and harmony to every meal. The best part? It's as easy as regular rice, but so much more impressive. You don't need any fancy equipment or special skills, just a pot, some rice, and a can of coconut milk. With just a few good ingredients, you'll create something magical. It's proof that simple food can be absolutely extraordinary when you use the right flavors. The aroma alone will fill your kitchen with tropical vibes and get everyone excited for dinner. There's nothing quite like the scent of coconut and rice mingling in the air. It's pure comfort. This isn't just a side dish. It's an experience. It brings people together, sparks conversation, and turns an ordinary meal into something memorable. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your ingredients, and let's make something delicious. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, coconut rice is sure to impress. Ready? Let's get cracking. Scene transition. Let's talk ingredients, just 5 simple ones. You'll need 300 g of long-grain white rice, like jasmine or basmati. Rinse it well until the water runs clear. Next, a 400 milliliters tin of full-fat coconut milk. Don't skimp on the richness. Add a teaspoon of sugar to lift the coconut flavor, and half a teaspoon of sea salt for balance. Finally, 200 milliliters of cold water to get the perfect texture. That's it. Rice, coconut milk, sugar, salt, and water. No fuss, no fancy extras. Just pure, simple magic. Gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. Scene transition. To start, grab a medium saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. This will help trap all the steam and flavor inside, making sure your rice turns out perfectly tender and aromatic. Next, add your rinsed rice, creamy coconut milk, water, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt to the pan. Each ingredient plays a role. Coconut milk brings richness, sugar balances the flavors, and salt enhances everything. Stir everything together thoroughly, making sure the rice is evenly coated and there are no clumps. This step ensures every grain absorbs that delicious coconut flavor. Place the pan over high heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Keep a close eye on it. This happens quickly, and you don't want it to boil over. Once you see those bubbles, give it one last stir to make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom. Then, reduce the heat to the lowest setting and cover the pan tightly with the lid. Let it simmer gently for 15 minutes. Resist the urge to peek. The steam inside is working its magic, cooking the rice to perfection. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat, but don't lift the lid just yet. Leave the pan covered for another 10 minutes to let the rice finish steaming and absorb all the flavors. This resting time is absolutely essential for fluffy, perfect rice. It allows the grains to finish cooking gently and soak up every last bit of coconut goodness. Don't rush it, let the magic happen. Patience here really pays off, so keep that lid on and trust the process. When the time's up, carefully remove the lid and fluff the coconut rice with a fork. You'll notice how light and fragrant it is. Just perfect for serving. Scene transition. Now your coconut rice is ready to enjoy. Soft, aromatic, and full of flavor. Let's move on to the next step. Want to take your coconut rice to the next level? Here are my top tips to help you make coconut rice that's fragrant, fluffy, and absolutely delicious every single time. First, start by rinsing your rice thoroughly to remove excess starch. This helps prevent it from becoming sticky. Then, toast the rinsed rice in a little coconut oil before adding any liquid. This simple step gives your rice a deeper, nutty flavor and a beautiful aroma that will fill your kitchen. For an extra layer of fragrance, add a pandan leaf, a few cardamom pods, or a star anise to the pot as the rice cooks. These spices infuse the rice with subtle, exotic notes. Just remember to remove them before serving so you don't get any surprises at the table. Once the rice is cooked, don't rush to serve it right away. Let it rest with the lid on for at least 10 minutes. This resting time allows the steam to finish cooking the rice gently, making each grain perfectly tender and separate. When you're ready, use a fork to gently fluff the rice. This keeps it light and airy and helps prevent clumping so every bite is just right. For a final flourish, sprinkle some toasted desiccated coconut on top. This adds a lovely crunch and intensifies the coconut flavor, making your rice extra special. Don't forget to finish with a handful of fresh coriander or some sliced spring onions. These fresh herbs add a pop of color and a burst of freshness that really lifts the dish. Remember, it's all about those little touches and thoughtful steps that make a big difference in the final result. With these tips, your coconut rice will be the star of any meal. Scene transition. You've made perfect coconut rice. Now, what to serve it with? It's the ultimate partner for spicy curries, grilled fish, or chicken. The creamy rice balances bold flavors and soaks up sauces beautifully. Try it as a base for a rice bowl with black beans, mango, avocado, and toasted seeds. Or keep it simple with grilled salmon and a wedge of lime. However you serve it, coconut rice turns any meal into something special. With just a few ingredients, you've created a dish that brings sunshine to your plate. Give it a go, share the love, and enjoy every bite. Cooking should be fun. This recipe proves it. Lovely jubbly.